On January 6, 2025, at precisely 11:15 a.m., David Morrow was relaxing on the balcony of his apartment, enjoying the tranquil view of the Pacific Ocean. What seemed like an ordinary morning soon took a dramatic turn when he spotted flames erupting in the Pacific Palisades Hills, located approximately 5 miles away. Within just an hour, the fire had rapidly spread, with thick smoke engulfing the picturesque hills. Reports from satellite imagery confirmed that the fire initially started in the Palisades but soon expanded to nearby areas such as Eaton Canyon, Kenneth Hahn, Getty Center, Skirball Cultural Center, and parts of the San Fernando Valley. During this time, winds were gusting at speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, blowing from inland regions toward the ocean. However, what puzzled many was how the fire managed to spread 30 to 40 kilometers inland, seemingly against the wind's flow. By the 25th of January 2025, the wildfire had ravaged an estimated 38,000 acres, equivalent to roughly 150 square kilometers. Over 12,000 homes and structures were reduced to rubble, forcing approximately 180,000 residents to evacuate. This wildfire stands as one of the most catastrophic events in Los Angeles' history, surpassing previous devastating fires in both intensity and scope. While wildfires are no stranger to California, this time the scale of destruction has shocked even the most seasoned residents and experts alike. Efforts to contain the fire have been ongoing, but progress has been slow. Firefighting aircraft have been dropping up to 45,000 liters of water in a single trip. Despite these efforts, the magnitude of the blaze has rendered these measures insufficient. Fire suppression chemicals are also being deployed, but the unrelenting flames have proven difficult to subdue. The state's pre-existing water shortages have further compounded the situation, leaving many fire hydrants dry and unusable. The sheer scale of the blaze has stretched firefighting resources thin, and strong winds ranging from 70 to 100 kilometers per hour have continued to fan the flames. California is no stranger to wildfires, particularly during the winter months. Historical records reveal that some of the worst wildfires have occurred during this season. For instance, the Cedar Fire in 2003 scorched 273,000 acres in San Diego County, while the Thomas Fire in 2017 burned 280,000 acres across Ventura and Santa Barbara counties. A consistent pattern emerges, showing that many of these devastating fires are fueled by the infamous Santa Ana winds. The Santa Ana winds are hot, dry air currents that sweep through Southern California during autumn and winter. These winds originate in high-pressure zones over the Great Basin and Mojave Desert, traveling toward the Pacific Ocean, where the pressure is lower. As they move, they strip the region of moisture, leaving vegetation parched and highly flammable. Once a fire ignites, these winds can accelerate its spread at alarming rates, turning a small blaze into a raging inferno within hours. Adding to the devastation, the Hughes Fire, which began near Castaic Lake on the 22nd of January 2025, has already consumed over 10,176 acres and is only 24% contained. The Eaton and Palisades fires, which have been burning for over 17 days, have claimed 28 lives and destroyed nearly 16,000 structures. In response, California Governor Gavin Newsom has approved a $2.5 billion emergency relief fund to assist affected communities. However, there are those who believe that this wildfire crisis is not just a natural disaster, but a form of divine retribution. A theory has emerged suggesting that the devastating wildfires are a manifestation of God's wrath upon Los Angeles. This theory holds that the entertainment industry, known for its secular and often controversial content, has mocked and insulted God through various portrayals, especially during events such as the Golden Globe Awards. According to these beliefs, the city's disregard for spiritual values has provoked divine punishment in the form of the catastrophic fires now ravaging the region. While this theory is not entirely true, It reflects a sentiment among some residents that the intensity of the fires is not entirely coincidental, but a consequence of moral actions by the entertainment capital of the world. The current wildfire crisis highlights the urgent need for more robust fire management strategies and climate resilience measures. As firefighting teams battle against the odds, the residents of California are left grappling with the aftermath of these destructive events, which have brought widespread loss and disruption to their lives. Whether caused by environmental factors, human error, or divine retribution, the destruction left behind by these fires is undeniable. Even after burning for more than 2 weeks, the actual cause of the fire is yet to be determined, and it continues to rage. With extreme winds expected and rainfall predicted, the latter seems to be the only viable solution to extinguish the LA fire, as human efforts alone appear insufficient to stop it. But let's see if the rain will fall and extinguish the flames, or if the wind will make it worse.